Beginnings of something new. Starting to get some growth. I realize I have not done a video yet of my sunflower garden for the front or the back. So I wanted to come out and show you guys how these will even grow in rocks and how abundantly they will grow. And I'll also take you out back to our garden in the back where I'll have more. But for now, this is where we're at the front. We're about to have our first bloom and she's gonna be yellow. They go all the way around. These are still kind of smaller. This is our June 3rd update of these sunflowers in the front yard. These were started the very second week, I believe, of April, which is why they had already bloomed. So here we are at the back. These are sunflowers that I started actually April, I want to say the second week of April. So they did not get very much sun the last 2 months, which is why they're so short. But they are about to bloom. Some pretty blooms on there. So that'll be nice to have. And a storm is rolling in, so I just came out and cleared all the weeds that are in this little area, and I will drop some pictures of what this looked like last season. And this year I have a frost aster growing in here, and it will bloom at the beginning of fall. So just wanted to do a little update before I put some seeds in the dirt before this rain moves in Oklahoma.